Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim Play Points in Play Store. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to claim Play Points in Play Store, you have to follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account where your Play Points are collected. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and from the menu, select Play Points. This will open the Play Points dashboard where you can see your current points balance and level. Here, tap on the Use section. You'll find different rewards like Google Play credit, in-game items, coupons, or special offers. Browse through the rewards and tap on the one you want. After that, press Redeem or Confirm. Your points will be deducted and the reward will be added to your account instantly. For Play credit, it usually applies automatically to your next purchase. If you don't see Play Points, it may be because Play Points is not available in your country, your account is not enrolled, or you're using the wrong Google account. You can join by opening the Play Points section and tapping Join if the option is available. And that's it. So that's basically how you can claim Play Points in Play Store. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.